yoga, and the C.A.R.E model. Have you ever wished for a pause button when emotions run high, at home or in the classroom? I'm Hutchison, author, coach, and passionate advocate for emotional intelligence through mindfulness and yoga. Here's a secret. Yoga isn't just about flexibility or fitness. It's one of the fastest ways to build emotional resilience, for you and for the children you guide. Every breath, every stretch helps us slow down, notice our emotions, and choose how we respond, not just react. And when we combine yoga with emotional coaching, real transformation begins. Let me introduce you to the C.A.R.E model, a simple, powerful tool for emotional intelligence. C is for calm. We pause and breathe to center ourselves. A is for acknowledge. We name what we feel without judgment. R is for reflecta. We ask, what do we truly need right now? E is for empower. We choose actions that support growth, compassion, and connection. This simple flow turns emotional challenges into learning opportunities, for both us and the children we care for. It starts with just one mindful breath, one calming stretch, one moment of choosing calm. If you're ready to grow emotional intelligence in your family or classroom, start today. Your calm is powerful. Your emotions are teachable moments. Let's breathe, stretch, and grow together.